April 15th. A broad trough moving through the central United States is driving a band of convection from the southern plains into the Midwest today, with Dallas-Fort Worth, Kansas City, and Chicago sitting near the primary impact corridor. Expect organized showers and embedded thunderstorms along and ahead of a cold front, with periodic MVFR to IFR ceilings and visibility reductions, and some convective turbulence in the mid-levels. Out west, a weak ridge is maintaining largely VFR conditions along the California coast from San Francisco through Los Angeles, though marine layer stratus is still producing morning IFR ceilings and patchy fog near coastal terminals before lifting by late morning. Inland, across the Great Basin and into the Rockies, a tightening gradient around the trough is generating gusty southwest winds, particularly through passes and along the Front Range into Denver, with areas of moderate mechanical turbulence and localized mountain wave potential. Snow showers linger at higher elevations in Colorado and Wyoming, with occasional IFR in terrain-obscured areas. Transitioning east into the plains, the frontal boundary is the main feature, with a moist Gulf air mass feeding northward and supporting convection from Oklahoma into Missouri and Illinois. Expect variable ceilings ahead of the line, dropping rapidly within precipitation, and localized gusty outflow winds near stronger cells. The Midwest into the Great Lakes sees the system becoming more stratiform with embedded convection, maintaining widespread cloud cover and reduced ceilings into Chicago, Detroit, and Cleveland, with a steady southwest flow aloft contributing to light to moderate chop. Across the Northeast, a weakening version of this system is producing scattered showers and generally MVFR conditions from Pittsburgh through New York and Boston, with ceilings gradually lifting from southwest to northeast through the day. Down into the southeast, including Atlanta and the Carolinas, the environment remains largely warm and moist ahead of the front, with increasing cloud cover and scattered afternoon convection, but more isolated in coverage compared to the central states. Florida remains under a typical sea breeze regime, with VFR prevailing outside of brief afternoon thunderstorms, though localized downpours can still drop visibility quickly near Tampa, Orlando, and Miami. Overall, the primary operational concern today is the central U.S. convective corridor and associated frontal impacts, with secondary considerations being western mountain turbulence and coastal stratus along the Pacific. That's the National Aviation weather picture for today. If this briefing helps your flight planning, consider subscribing for the daily operational outlook. Have the best flight, and we'll see you tomorrow.